What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 2 of Building a Brand in 10 Days. Today, we're going to talk about defining your niche or finding your niche. Same difference. But this is the most important piece because a lot of y'all out there think that y'all have a clothing brand. Realistically, y'all just made y'all first garment. Let me tell y'all why. A lot of y'all haven't found what y'all niche is. And when I say what your niche is, you don't know what you specialize in. You don't know who you are. And when people think, isn't that just brand identity? No, it's a lot more than brand identity. Brand identity is just your set colors. So for example, it's your set colors, set logo, your statement and all that other stuff. But before we get into that, remember I talked to y'all the last episode about Rich Junkie? Yeah, bro, they from the street, man. Like I'm saying twin no, like, cause they be like they be getting what I be saying no, cause we rich and then like we do drugs too. So like we really like a rich junkie. But when you sit back and think about that, who does that actually resonate with? Like the brand Cortez, you see people drinking and smoking and doing rebellious stuff, but that brand resonates with the lifestyle culture and the street culture of the UK. So that's a cultural brand. And you have three things, like I said in this last episode. You have either lifestyle that you want to feed off of, you want to do a cultural brand, or you want to do something that's going to really just resonate with like your community. Like you could do a community-based brand. Like something like, even Cortez did a good thing with that. They did this experiment. I call it an experiment because I feel like it was something that they tried, that they had a feeling would work, but they had to go do it to collect the data. And now they know for a fact they could do this every drop. But they collected North Faces. And in exchange for North Faces, they would give you a Cortez puffer. I know y'all saying like this might sound crazy because it's like, bruh, North Faces is $138, but Cortez hoodies probably only costed this much to make, or they only probably costed this much. Here's the thing though, the best thing to do when you're first starting a brand, don't always look for the profit. This is where a lot of people fall. This is where I fail. You know where you get the most leverage? Psst, bring it in. Try to break even. When you break even, you got to think, all right, I'm not doing this drop just for the money. I'm not doing this drop just for to get popular. You're trying to collect data. And collecting data is a real big thing with finding your niche. Because a lot of times, people might start off as a streetwear brand or might start off as a cultural brand, but then you may think, let me turn this into a lifestyle. But realistically, lifestyle brands do make the most money. Or you can do an ideology brand. And what that basically is it's the concept of something. Concept of like, for example, I was on this marketing call and this dude was telling me about this brand Trico. And he was like, man, their concept is about being a game changer. And following the concept is cool, but I feel like you can only go so far with that. For the lifestyle brand, it's that lifestyle, and it's people who live that lifestyle, and they say, okay, this brand is going to resonate with me. A lifestyle brand like Cookies, for example, it resonate with, okay, I smoke weed, they have great weed, I'm going to buy with this brand. And that's something that will go very far. So before we get into making this high quality garment with rhinestones and the crazy zippers and the double hoodie and the cardigans with the big old buttons, let me make that distressed hoodie with the text distressed that everybody's making and they're claiming that it's high quality. That's cool and all, but guess what? Say you do sell out your first drop. You know why 90% of brands fail, and while there are 423,000 brands in this world, but you know what I didn't tell y'all? Guess what? Less than 1,000 of those brands have hit 6 to 7 figures. And 423,000 global clothing brands, and less than 1,000 have hit 6 to 7 figures. You know what that tells you? People don't know the formula to success. And this is where it starts. You have to find a niche that resonates with you. Put that down. With you. With you. With you. Because if not, you're wasting time. If I'm starting a lifestyle brand, a running brand, why am I dropping knitted hoodies. I'm not doing that in the beginning on my first drop. My first drop, I need to be dropping leggings, tights, sweatpants, sweatsuits, fitness accessories. If I'm dropping a brand like Supreme, I have no business dropping a compression shirt. Why would I do such? I'm going to go get 400 GSM hoodies, denim jeans, graphic. I want to go find the first street rapper that I can do a collab with on a collection. Once I find a niche and I lock in on it, guess what you can do next? You can start building a community. But I'm not going to get too deep into that because y'all going to have to tune into the next episode. Appreciate y'all for tuning in today. Come tap in for episode 3. Join my community for more info. I love y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you go like, subscribe, and comment. And I got a huge announcement for y'all additionally. The first 50 subscribers to my new community, 10 Days of Brand Building, will be entered in a raffle to win a brand new PS5. So go make sure y'all go tune in. Make sure y'all go check it out. And I'm also offering one-on-one mentorship and the opportunity to be walked through your journey while you're building your clothing brand. This course has modules that are crafted just to help you get your brand to the next level. Weekly calls with some of the most innovative influencers and clothing designers. And additionally, digital products that'll help you scale your brand and have structure and clarity on what's needed to get to the next level. Y'all make sure y'all go tune in. Love y'all. See y'all next week.